What's up, man? Welcome to the studio. Yeah. Come on. What up, bro, mama?
Oh, you recording? Yo,
Recording.
about to kick it. Everybody up in here about to split it like banana split. And they get that kick. If we want to do it right, nigga, we're going.
Alright, that's it off.
Something. Yo.
You're chilling in the studio.
What's up?
Just making hits, yo.
What's up?
Ears just stepped out. Just made a little loop.
Man,
But can't get enough of it, you know what I'm saying? Though, yeah. Yo, shit, I can't get enough. Oh shit, I can't get enough for your love. Oh, hey.
I can't get enough. I can't get enough.
You say you can sing. That's my little cousin Mana though, yeah. We're chilling at EKM.
In the AM.
Trying to make something, I don't know what we're trying to make, but we're trying to make something.
Just to dawn.
Yeah.
We about to get it
Peace.
on.